Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you add or change a thumbnail in your YouTube videos. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So here, click on your profile icon on the upper right corner. Click on your channel. And here, click on Manage Videos. It is going to open YouTube Creator Studio. And from here, choose the video that you want to change the thumbnail. Now let's try to take this one for example. Let's click on it. And here where it says thumbnail, you can actually choose different thumbnail that you can use for this video. Or you can also click on upload thumbnail. Now let's try to use this one for example. Tap on open. Now let's choose it and click on save. Now we successfully changed the thumbnail of this video. Now let's go back. Let's refresh. And we can see that the thumbnail is already changed. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.